Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by working on one section at a time. This keeps tension consistent. Comb a 1 to 1. 5 strands smooth, then place the roller under the strand near the root and snap the clip closed. You want even tension. Too loose gives limp results. Too tight stresses the root. Once done, move to the next section quickly so hair stays slightly damp if styling wet. That helps set the shape and speeds drying without heat damage. You now focus on consistent rolling technique because the middle steps determine curl continuity. Roll each strand toward the scalp while keeping hair flat against the roller, then twist the end under before snapping the clip. This prevents loose tails. Make sure strands don't overlap. Overlapping makes uneven curls. Once all rollers are clipped, use a hairdryer on low to medium heat if needed, or air dry completely. This step ensures the curl sets uniformly from root to tip, and you finish by waiting until hair is completely dry, then remove clips gently, unroll toward the ends to preserve shape. Once free, separate curls with your fingers or a wide-tooth comb for the desired texture, and apply light hairspray if you need extra hold. If a curl looks flat or frizzy, make sure it was dry. If not, re-roll the specific strand and use low heat briefly. That targeted fix saves time versus redoing the whole.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.